So I wanted to do a quick introduction to the idea of proof aggregation and how you can use RISC Zero to solve the problem of proof aggregation. So first off, what do I mean by proof aggregation? Let's say that we've generated a whole bunch of zkPs for a whole bunch of different computations, and now we want to verify them on chain. It's going to be quite expensive if we verify each one on chain individually. It will be much more affordable if we first aggregate all the proofs into a single zkP or single snark, and then post just the one snark on chain, verify the one snark on chain, and have that one snark sort of represent as many computations off chain as you want. So this is sort of the path forward. This is what the term succinctness means in the zero knowledge context. Succinctness refers to the idea of compressing a whole bunch of computation into a succinct proof. So in this case, we want to sort of take succinctness to its natural extreme, where we compress as many proofs as we possibly can into a single snark and then verify that snark on chain. So that's a little introduction to proof aggregation.